When many think of the insane sports cars to come from the land of the rising sun, the 90s will most likely be the first thing that comes to mind. With almost all Japanese sports cars offering impressive performance in stock form, it's the tuning potential that makes them so desirable in racing community. Here's a look at some of the most iconic Japanese sports cars that have captivated enthusiasts and collectors around the world. Introduced in 1989, the Mazda MX-5 redefined the small sports car market. Often referred to as the Miata, the MX-5 embraced the spirit of classic British roadsters while incorporating Japanese reliability. During the period when roadsters were beyond the reach of most car enthusiasts, the Mazda MX-5 Miata became the affordable answer. Sure, it may be a little underpowered in stock form, but an engine swap, turbo, or supercharger kit can quickly rectify that. Its lightweight and compact dimensions made the MX-5 an agile and fun-to-drive car. These characteristics can still be appreciated in the current 4th-generation model, making the MX-5 a beloved sports car among car enthusiasts to this day. The 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI is a limited edition model, celebrating Subaru's 40th anniversary and its 3rd consecutive World Rally Championship title. It features a 2.2-liter turbocharged engine, producing 280 horsepower and 363 Newton-meter of torque. The car has a unique body kit with widened fenders, a high-rise rear spoiler, and period BBS rims in gold. Only 400 units were produced for the Japanese market, with an additional 24 for the UK and Australia, making it a highly sought-after model among enthusiasts. It was the pinnacle of what Subaru was capable of in the 90s, when it became a legend for rally fans everywhere. Lancer Evo is the Mitsubishi's fierce rival to the Subaru Impreza first launched in the 90s, providing mind-blowing all-wheel drive performance. While it doesn't have quite the legendary status of the Impreza, the Mitsubishi Evo is a brilliant rally-inspired sports sedan. One of the most desirable Evos is the Evo 8 launched in 2003. It carried forward the Evo's legacy of combining rally-bred performance with everyday usability. Housing a 2-liter turbocharged engine, it pumped out around 270 horsepower. It struck a chord with driving enthusiasts and remains a highly sought-after model for both collectors and tuners. Though Evo 8 may not be everyone's favorite, so which Evo is yours? Do let us know in the comments. Designed to compete with the high-performance sports cars of the time, Honda introduced the NSX in 1990 in Japan. The car entered the US market as the Acura NSX in the same year. This mid-engined Honda is praised for its exceptional handling, reliability, and usability as a daily driver. Its V6 engine produces 270 horsepower, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. Developed by a team of devoted engineers and perfected by Formula One aces Ayrton Senna and Satoru Nakajima, the Acura NSX famously gave contemporary Ferraris a good run for the money, proving that right chassis and suspension tuning and clever engineering can beat cylinder count and big exotic names. When talking about Toyota Supra, what often comes to mind is the 4th generation Supra, also known as the MK4. With the indestructible 2JZ GTE engine, known for its immense tuning potential, the Toyota Supra has achieved legendary status. Its curvy and aerodynamic design added to its allure, while its driver-centric interior helped to convey an exciting driving experience. Of course, the current gen Supra is there, but as good as it may be, we're not sure it'll ever live up to the hype of the MK4, thanks to its bulletproof 2JZ inline-6 motor and its role in the Fast and the Furious movie. It's every tuner's dream ride. Nissan has built a handful of wonderful Skylines over the years, but none greater than the R34. Produced from 1999 to 2002, the Nissan R34 Skyline marks the 5th generation of the iconic GT-R series. Celebrated for its striking design and performance, the R34 is powered by the 2.6-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. With an output of 276 horsepower, the Skyline GTR doesn't feel particularly fast by today's standards. However, the engine is known for its immense tunability and ability to deliver serious power. Its strong presence in popular culture, including appearances in games and movies, left an indelible mark in the realm of performance cars, making the R34 Skyline GTR nothing short of a JDM legend. Produced from 1995 to 2001, the third-generation Honda Integra Type R was a 90s legend. It is arguably the best-handling front-wheel drive car ever produced. Despite having a 1.8-liter VTEC engine with 197 horsepower, the screaming 8,000 RPM redline propels it to 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds, and it'll undoubtedly put many rear-wheel drive cars to shame in the twisties. What truly set the Integra Type R apart was its focus on weight reduction, improved suspension, and a close-ratio 5-speed manual transmission. All were finely tuned to provide a responsive driving experience, showcasing the car's racing pedigree. Its success on the track cemented the third-generation Integra Type R's reputation as a street-legal racer. If the Integra Type R is the best front-drive performance car, the third-generation Mazda RX-7, also referred to as FD, is in with a shout of being one of the best-looking sports cars ever made. In production from 1992 to 2002, this RX-7 was by far the most advanced road-going sports car Mazda created, and arguably the most beautiful too. With a 280 horsepower rotary engine, it'll hit 62 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds, before reaching a top speed of 160 miles per hour. The 1998 Mazda RX-7 cemented the legendary status of the beloved Japanese sports car. Though every generation of the RX-7 is good, the FD is truly great. With a sequential turbo twin-rotor engine that could rev to the moon and seriously good looks, it's won over the hearts of JDM fans everywhere. The Nissan 350Z, produced from 2002 to 2009, is an iconic sports car known for its robust performance and stylish design. It features a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces up to 306 horsepower, offering pure driving joy. A favorite among car enthusiasts, the 350Z's engine begged for modifications, unleashing even more power. The 350Z's rear-wheel drive layout and balanced chassis provide excellent handling and driving dynamics. Immortalized in Tokyo Drift, it became a street racing icon. Even after 2 decades, the 350Z remains a sought-after icon, a testament to its timeless design and exhilarating drifting experience. The S2000, launched in 1999 to celebrate Honda's 50th anniversary, is a highly sought-after rear-wheel drive roadster that delivers ample driving thrills. With a 2-liter inline-4 VTEC engine under the hood, the S2000 can push out up to 247 horsepower in stock form, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated production engine at the time. Before Ferrari launched the 458 Italia to the market, it held this title for 10 years. Boasting a 9,000 RPM redline, along with a 0 to 60 of under 6 seconds, and superb handling in the twisties, it's no surprise that S2000s are so popular. As for its design, its clean and minimal silhouette makes the S2000 a timeless classic. Designed to provide the ultimate driving experience, the Lexus LFA redefined the boundaries of the Japanese supercar. Introduced in 2010, the LFA was limited to 500 examples, including the 50 exclusive LFA Nürburgring package models, released in 2011. People often say, the LFA is the best sounding car of all time. With a 4.8-liter V10 under the hood, the LFA is a road car that sounds like it belongs on an F1 track. Yamaha helped design this insane power plant and undoubtedly assisted with achieving the 3.6 second 0 to 60 time. To this day, the LFA is still celebrated for its technological innovation and meticulous craftsmanship. Produced from 1967 until 1970, the Toyota 2000 GT is a groundbreaking and iconic sports car that elevated Toyota's status on the global automotive stage. With a limited production run of only 351 units, the 2000 GT remains a rare and highly sought-after classic. This gorgeous rear-wheel drive coupe produced 150 horsepower from its 2-liter straight-six engine, which was developed in collaboration with Yamaha. The 2000 GT gained international fame through its appearance in the James Bond film You Only Live Twice, further cementing its iconic status. This car not only showcased Toyota's engineering prowess, but also signaled Japan's emergence as a serious contender in the global sports car market. If there's one car that deserves the most credit for changing the way that the global market saw Japanese sports cars, it has to be the Datsun 240Z. Introduced in the late 60s, when Japanese cars were seen as mostly econoboxes, the 240Z blew its competition out of the water in terms of its price and performance. Powering the 1969 Datsun 240Z is a 2.4-liter straight-six engine that outputs 151 horsepower and 141 pound-feet of torque to the rear-wheel drive layout. The coupe can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 125 miles per hour. During its first 4 years of production in the United States, more than 160,000 units of the Datsun 240Z were sold. The expressive styling of the iconic 240Z captivated car enthusiasts across the globe. These iconic Japanese sports cars have left a lasting impact on the automotive world, showcasing the country's ability to produce high-performance vehicles that are both exciting and reliable.